Hi guys!
This is my
Mima.
This is my Erelah, my baby Erelah.
Do you think I'm a baby?
Yeah,
I'm
you're
not a
still
baby. I'm already 5.
For today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Erelah. Let's see how smart she is.
Selena, I get to know.
What sounds annoys you most?
Dun, 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 dun.
Tell me.
Drums.
Drums. You don't like the sounds of the drums. You don't like the sounds of the drum.
Yeah.
Why?
Mima, look.
Can you please tell me why?
Because they annoy my hearing, my eardrums. And I also annoyed with my teacher shouting. And you shouting also.
Yeah, kasi don't be makulit. So
Teacher Brilliant!
So don't be makulit, so I will not shout at you. Well, I will try my best not to shout at you, but always be a good girl.
Look, may lobo.
Dito ka. Always be a good girl. Listen once I said it, follow agad para hindi ako nagsha-shout, para hindi nagagalit si Mima.
I look,
diba?
this is an Indian shirt. This is an Indian skirt.
Yeah, you look like.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Well, that's a nice answer. I will try my best not to shout at you, but
24 hours no shouting at me.
yeah, I am just shouting naman at you when you're makulit
This
kasi.
is my real shirt.
When you're not listening at once eh. Well, that's Erelah's answer. Thank you for watching our video. Please follow us in TikTok and
Facebook,
YouTube, also on Facebook. Yes.
Mima and Erelah's Diary.
Mima and Erelah's Diary for you. Lagi kayong maka-update sa mga kwentuhan namin ni Erelah. And thank you po. God bless us all. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.